plan's always been keeping the 6-port diffs because it's so cheap and easily find. Like right now, this dude just drove to bring me diffs. What's up, man? You got the goods?
I got something for you.
Oh.
I have 2, but I need this housing.
Sick.
So if you want it, I have to take it off real quick.
Oh yeah, I'll take it off real quick.
Yeah, you want both then?
Okay, yeah. Yeah, you drive tomorrow now. Thanks, man.
Oh yeah. What?
You got out of the bag. Rob.
Yo, so you just literally just fucking wild there.
Oh, so you want me? You want me on your? You want me on your YouTube channel?
Yeah, man. I want you to show me how to do this shit.
So brake clean the shit out of it.
I thought you said you needed the oil for that.
The best way is to cut a plate that'll fit right in there, and then you can weld all the way around it.
You literally just told me just to weld it. Now you want me to put a plate. You're trying to be fancy now.
Fuck you, man.
You can just weld it too. So if you want to just weld it, but I mean, if you just weld it, you're gonna only be able to get up here. So if you do that, then you gotta weld up here and then weld to the case, and like that. Do you feel me? I guess can't even cut a plate because how far into your axles go? Do they go right up to here?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Well then, yeah, you can't really do a plate.
I don't know how far they go. I'm just
unless you do a plate that sits on top right here, which would work too, which would be the best. Either way, whatever you want to do, just weld these together first, and then weld all the way around the case.
But what about if shit gets on here?
It won't, John.
It just won't. Yeah, and then you gotta rotate it.
Do the same thing on
Do
that
the same
side.
thing on the other side, dude.
Alright, so if it breaks, what warranty are you gonna give me?
I got no warranty service for you, John.
Dude, I never weld the case actually. I just weld in there and it works.
Yeah, well, John is heavy-footed.
Whoa, you don't make 450 horsepower, man.
Sure, I don't.
Yeah,
I don't.
Get out of here.
Hey, Rob, can you be in my video?
That's exactly
Rob,
what.
can you be in my video, please? Can you? When you the way you wanna help me weld? Can you help me weld?
I didn't get to film much yesterday because I was pissed. I lost my keys, so I couldn't like really work on the car. I had to get radio to break into the car so I can get my wheel lock, get the wheels off, take the diff out, put the new diff in, all this shit. And then we called locksmith at 2 o'clock in the afternoon. 10 o'clock we left Hoonigan, still no locksmith, so it was a mess. But I went back home, looked through my shit, found the keys. So right now I'm on the way to go pick up the car to make sure it actually runs, because today we're doing the burn yard event. So we'll see if shit doesn't break again, hopefully. Alright, so it's gonna be the first time ever driving a car. I mean, I never had a car with diff, so we'll see how much I don't like it. Because I don't feel like I'm gonna like all the little chirping it's gonna be doing. But fuck it. I'm scared to get on it. I think my tire pressure might be a little too low. It might break shit again. So